Hi guys, I'm Karina and I'm from Russia and I really want to help you with Russian language. I understand that Russian language is really very difficult. So today we will try to describe people's appearance, Hollywood stars' appearance and your appearance. So let's start from Angelina Jolie. So she is a very beautiful woman for me. So she is beautiful. Она красивая. So the ending is ая. The ending will be the same for women if you describe women. Она красивая. The ending is ая. She is slim. She is slim. Она стройная. So the ending is ая again. So she is tall. I suppose that she is tall. Она высокая. So the ending is ая.
You also can say about Angelina Jolie, она очаровательная. Она очаровательная. Она изящная. Она изящная. Она темноволосая. Она темноволосая. Она длинноволосая. Она длинноволосая.
So let's start describing Brad Pitt. He is nice. Он милый. The ending is ый. Милый. He is tall. I suppose he is also tall. Он высокий. So the ending is и, a little bit softer. И. Высокий. So, and he is slim. Yes, he is slim. Он стройный. So again, the ending is и. So if we describe man, the ending will be и or и.
You also can say about Brad Pitt. Он мужественный. Он мужественный. Он светловолосый. Он светловолосый. Он голубоглазый. Он голубоглазый.
If you want to describe yourself and you are a man, you say I'm nice. If you want to say I am nice, you say in Russian я милый. So again, the ending is и. Or I'm tall, я высокий. Again, the ending is и. If you're a woman and you want to describe yourself, you want to say I'm beautiful, я красивая. Again, the ending is ая. So it is rather easy, I suppose. The ending is the same. Or, for example, I am tall, я высокая. So the ending is ая.
You also can say about yourself, if you're a man, я худощавый. Я худощавый. Я коренастый. Я коренастый. Я зеленоглазый. Я зеленоглазый. And if you're a woman, you can say я худощавая. Я худощавая. Я кореглазая. Я кореглазая. Я длинноволосая. Я длинноволосая.
So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video and if it was useful for you, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.